Hey everyone, this is Hong, one of the photo editors at Wonderful Machine, and today we're going to take a look at Ryan Donnell's website. Okay, so looking at his website right now, I really like the layout. I love the big pictures. His logo is great. Social media all in here, which is really good. And so let's take a look at his categories just to see what Ryan shoots. He has an overview section, a lot of images on here. It looks like he shoots portraiture, reportage, um, possibly food. He has recent work, which is very beautiful. I really like this portrait right here. Okay. Case studies. Okay, that's a lot of case studies, which I think are just stories. So let's take a look quickly through these. Camp, running with the Amish. I mean, right now it's pretty inconsistent. Like running with the Amish has probably 8, 9 pictures. Boscombe Lodge, same. Pizza. Jersey Shore lifeguards. Okay. Travel. This one has a lot of images on here. 2 weeks in Spain. And then Delaware Valley College. Okay, so a little education piece right here. And we go on to personal projects. So more work. Polling project, broken American infrastructure, and then there's, okay, categorized, which is actually something that should be, on the top of the list. But so this is what Ryan shoots. So he shoots portraits, reportage, which I don't really see too much of that here. Travel and food. Okay, I think we saw this in the overview. Education. Okay, a lot of this I feel like we saw in the one Delaware personal project, and then corporate and advertising. Okay, and then there's more for further study. It's his bio. There's Ryan. Client list. His blog. I like his blog. Where is Iowa? Which is very funny because he moved from Philly to Iowa. And then his contact information. Here's a map that's great for Iowa. Emails on here, okay. Archive, yes. Client login, great. And create PDF. Okay, so overall, it's a bit overwhelming. He has a lot of categories, and I don't think that's gonna work just because if a client goes on his website, where do we go first? I don't know where to even go. What is a case studies? I think should probably just be stories or projects. Maybe this can be combined with personal projects. But I think overall, he wants to shoot editorial and advertising and education. And um, basically, I would move this at the top of the list, take out recent work and overview just because it's, repetitive. And you don't want to show the same images over and over again because it looks like you're padding your work. So for Ryan, after looking at his work, I would really be selective and see exactly which categories his images go into. It seems like he has a good education spread from looking at Delaware Valley College, and that's something he wants to shoot more of. So that's something I'd work on for him. So basically, we just need to refine his categories and um, yeah, and then also for like I think I would also rename the categories just instead of having categorized, just simply put all of his categories here, like portraits, reportage, travel, education, or whatever we end up picking. It will just be there. It'll be obvious that it's there. There's no need to have a drop down menu. Um, and then we'll have a bio section too. And from looking at this, it seems like his bio section, the design of it, isn't really what I would expect just because his logo's so great. So there's some inconsistency in his in his typeface. Like I would change this probably to like a serif and match it to go with like his overall look over here. Same with the client list. It doesn't. It just looks like it was put on Word and copy and pasted on here. Like there's no like design element. So that's something to try to fix because just from looking at this map, there is design on here. There's a design element, so it's good to keep that consistent. So for Ryan's edit, we just want to focus more on exactly what he's going to shoot and have it here. And we don't want to have so much fluff and so many categories that it's hard to navigate and then figure out which categories to pick by looking at his images because right now he seems to be all over the place. So yeah, I'm really excited to start on his web edit and see what we can do with Ryan. And here's Ryan's website after the edit. As you can tell right away, the side right here for his galleries are more condensed and straightforward. We ended up picking portraits, education, lifestyle, which was great because we actually didn't think that he shot lifestyle, but he really did. A lot of his assignments were lifestyle based. We have industry, projects, and tear sheets. The projects it was really important to have this in here because that's basically his main passion. That's where he started from in the newspaper industry. And so we really wanted to showcase his projects on here. And then his blog stayed the same. His bio changed significantly. Now we have 2 current images of Ryan and a really quick fun bio, and instead of having a client list on the side, we decided to have it in his bio section and in alphabetical order, which is really important just so it's organized and easy to read. We decided to keep Where's Iowa. It's fun and it really shows that he's in Iowa because he moved from Philadelphia, and we kept his contact. So overall, it was mainly the images that we edited, and I think right now it's more concise, and Ryan really likes it, I really like it, and I think clients who go on his website will enjoy looking through his work and understanding what type of photographer Ryan is. So thank you for watching.